Whew.
I remember going to work one day, and I was determined I wasn't going to be any wimp. So I drove probably about this slow all the way.
All the way to work?
Yep.
Is Jack in the middle of the road?
Oh my God, Jack. Well, I guess he's just trying.
Oh, he's cleaning the road.
Good for you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's a good man right there.
Yes, it really is.
He's out in the middle of the road, shoveling the road.
Yep. Oh, look at this, Jay.
Yeah.
It's still covered right there.
Yeah. Look at this. Here's the old square body that lives behind us.
Yep.
It's a 75 Chevy C10 4x4. Look at all this stuff. It looks like a shaving cream is exploded everywhere.
Yeah.
Now this is the really bad part right here by our house. See how this is all icy because the shade. I mean, it is just solid ice right. Ooh, man, it's rough. You hit the brakes and you are sliding everywhere. Home sweet home.
Well, we did it, Jay. We got off the
Look at somebody.
road.
Look at the people that have driven
hitting us.
out in the thing here. Look at this.
Yeah, I can see where it's a little muddy.
Unbelievable. That messed up my yard. I mow
I
that.
just wish they wouldn't do that.
I know.
That's why you call them cheap labor conservatives.
Look at all this snow. Look at that.
See, they don't come through here and plow. This just has to get melted.
I think it
by
just
itself.
melts by itself.
Well, you know, when George and I lived on Marlowe up in Michigan, they didn't plow our street. We'd be 3 days before they plowed out us.
Yeah,
We lived
because
in a
you
subdivision
guys
like this, outside of town.
See, it's starting to melt pretty good up here now. Look at that. See, look at this. Is just a sheet of ice.
Yeah, this is still all slushy or covered.
Can you imagine what this was like yesterday?
Yeah, one time this had 7 inches of snow.
Oh yeah, look at Dan.
They shoveled their
Yeah, they
driveway.
shoveled theirs.
Looks like Dan shoveled.
Mm-hmm.
These people didn't, but it's
Yeah.
flat, you know.
And see, like these people on the cul-de-sac, they didn't get their driveway plowed.
Yeah, they have to come up that hill.
Right, that's a pretty good little hill.
These people have kids.
Oh, look at the snowmans.
Yeah. These people have kids because that lawn's all trampled.
Oh yeah, you can tell the people with the kids. That's right.
Those of us who remember who lived through the 60s, 70s, and the early 80s.
They got all their trash out, but I got news for you. It's not going to come.
Woo, this is nothing but ice.
Just
Oh
sit out there all
man.
week.
Those people haven't been anywhere.
Yeah. These people haven't either, Jay.
No.
They've been home.
Yeah, they've been home.
We remember what this was like in America once.
How about these driveways? We thought our driveway
Oh
was
my,
awful.
can you imagine trying to get down that?
Looks like they didn't even
I
bother.
don't think they bothered either.
You have to move to Canada or Europe.
Wow, look at the snow there.
Mm.
We'll be back.
Yep. These metal roofs, man, that snow just slides off of there. Man, it's bad over here. There's not as many people. Oh, look at the mess. Look at the mess they made in their yard.
They do? Oh my gosh, that's the sheriff guy.
Yeah.
What the heck? I'd be yelling at my kids for doing that. He didn't even shovel his driveway,
No.
Jay. That's why it looks like that. He didn't bother shoveling his driveway.
Let's see where JJ Man is.
I always
See how
wondered,
the snow comes off those metal roofs? It just
often
slides.
wondered if Brian shovels his driveway.
He must have, because there's hardly hardly any snow on his driveway at all.
How
I
could
guess
he not though? You couldn't get up. Yeah, he must have, but
that's where JJ lives.
yeah.
Look at the people who drove around in these people were on their 4-wheelers.
Yeah, I don't think these people shoveled. Yeah, these
Look
people,
at this.
yeah.
Look at this mess here.
Oh, yeah.
Megan's old yard is all
Yeah, these
driven
people
in.
finally shoveled their driveway. Yeah, I wondered about Mr. Triplet here.
Brad's house.
He doesn't look like he shoveled. Huh.
Our roof's starting to thaw a little bit.
Yep. Insulation.
Yep, insulation.
Yeah, they still got all kinds of snow in front of their garage door. Now, this is still pretty snowy and slushy.
Pretty
Wow.
bad.
Okay, here we go.
Going down the driveway.
Get on the
ruts.
Yep, get on your cement so we don't slide down the driveway. Oh man.
Here comes the Yogi Man. Look at this mess.
Yep.
I'm afraid not, sir. Oh, Andy's truck is all thought up.
You know what? I don't think we're going anywhere. Let's not back up.
Look at the water coming off of our roof
I'm
up
not going to
there.
back up, Jay,
Yeah.
because I don't think we're going anywhere, and
Yeah, this is straight now.
we don't have to go anywhere till Sunday. So.